This 2027 Jayco Melbourne Prestige 25 megapixels is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Frets RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2027 Jayco Melbourne Prestige 25 megapixels is built on a Mercedes-Benz 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Frets RV.